We're headed on a road trip and we finally added the Thule XL cargo container to our Honda Pilot, and I am so excited. We did just set it up on top of our car, so you do need to know that when you are setting this up, you will also need to get the crossbars and bar system. Definitely look into the specific ones for your car, but we have it just laying here right now as they are coming in the mail, just an FYI. The idea here is to be able to fit just some light things in our actual car. Maybe a stroller, a cooler, a nice backpack, of a change of clothes, easy snacks to grab onto, any valuables, entertainment, toys, anything like that will be in this part of the car, but we won't have to worry about stuffing the trunk so high that you can't see out the windows, or when you grab into it, things are falling out of it. This way, we'll actually be storing that stuff in the top hard case, which let's break down how much you can actually fit in it, because I watched so many videos deciding which case to get and nobody really showed how much you could fit in it except for someone trying to stuff themselves in, and that doesn't really help. I want to know, how many bags can you get in there? Okay, so let's talk about the two different options that you can really be getting. You can be getting the normal regular one, or you can be getting the lower one. Now, we decided to go with the regular one. The prices weren't that much different, but the benefits we saw were much higher. Not only is this one going to have an extra 3 to 4 inches of height, which means that you can fit more things in your cargo case, but it's also going to have around 2 cubic feet more of space. So if you're just looking to have that longer term lifespan of a cargo item, then this is going to be really great. I think the biggest prohibitor is the Honda actually can only take around 150 pounds on top of it, and the case is 50 pounds, which means you only really have 100 pounds that you could be playing with. But we're going to talk about what you can fit in there. Now, first off, it comes with a set of 2 keys, so you and your hubby or significant other can actually have an extra set, or you can just have a backup. And what's really great about this is you actually can use the keys to unlock from the side. Now, a few of the cargo cases, you actually could only open it from the back of it, which means that you're loading from your trunk. And I just found it a lot easier to actually be loading from the car. Now, inside here, what's really great is the key will not leave this until it's locked closed. So you're not going to be forgetting your key anywhere because it needs to close, and then you can actually take your key into the car and drive. Now, it will open, and there are some racket straps in here if you need to racket straps down, and it also opens from both sides, so if you want to go in one side and the other and be able to reach the different things. But let's pack it. Now, in the directions, it actually says to use soft luggage, but if you are looking to see what it can actually fit in it, then I think this is a great way to tell. And this is a nice, big, rolly suitcase, and it's a nice hard case here, so you can see that it actually is going to fit inside and still allow for a lot more luggage. We have our hard suitcase. Now we're gonna put in a nice sleeping bag in here. Next up, we have a pack and play. This is definitely something that we would be bringing on a vacation, so really important that we can fit this inside of it, and it also isn't going to be taking up that trunk space. It isn't something that we really need to grab during most of the trip. Something that we absolutely love is our hiking backpacks, and this is going to be something really great. It does advise that you use soft covers on most of the luggage that you're fitting in here. This way, it's just more easily going to fit in there, and you can fit more items inside the case. Another big piece of luggage. Now, it is cool. I am going to link this down below. And there are also packing bags that you can order that do come with it that are specifically designed for this. And if you don't already have soft luggage, it might be a great addition to your purchase. Close it up. And like I said, the key will not be removed until everything is locked in. Once you get everything packed up, you can grab your key and head on to your vacation. If you're thinking about doing a road trip, I highly suggest this. We're so excited. We've purchased it. We're excited to start using it. And I hope this was helpful.